O ni atong utan mga silingan no, nag-request akong anak nga sinigangon ko no, ay first time nga magsinigang nga kamunggay lang ba na Ay lamay siguro. Lamay gini siya na. Nag singalong lami mampod, aslom-aslom gamay. Wa lang po na ko gipalabian. Baka natog ko anak, karing kani ba? Gang. Kani.
Ayaw.
O di ra.
Ay mo nagpagsi malaing ano.
Ina.
Nya. So yeah, ug to so inyong kamot mga silingan aron mapasok mo.
Oh. Lami mampod. Sinigang nga gulay. Kamunggay. Sa akong panaid mga silingan, murag nindot kaayo ni sinigang nga kamunggay. Okay? Ready? Mga na ta.
Okay, natin. Magod ko ditong papatiting mo. Wala na na-apil. Apilo ni na po mo.
Ano na inday, uno na raban na ako.
Pwede mo kaog dahon. Ano sa kalilasa mo? Wala ginanimbo ko. Low, reaction taste. Ayun, tamaya. Reaction taste. Usa po di ka mao English.
Tantangan na dire.
Madlo ko mapasok mga silingan.
Okay kayo. Suman.
Wa ko kasabot sa kong gibati. Mbot, sige ko balik-balik kung sabay nasa.
Sige na mga ta.
Musyog paksiw na kanang kikod ug silikan.
Sinigang ito na. Dili na.
Okay raman siya, nasa after this.
Kira na ko eh. Importante na isabaw.
Opa mo kasi nga si
Mo ni pagkaon sa bukid.
Well, hello there, guys. It's Spooky Finger Lauren Hance, bringing you my first ever ganja horror story, which I'm sure is not going to be very scary and is instead just going to make me laugh. But that's just as good. I just found that there's such a thing as scary/horror gotcha stories, so I decided to try about. You're playing in a room with 3 other kids. How are you saying you have no friends? The teacher always trying to cheer me up. Do you want this story? I don't know why the teacher sounds like this to make it creepier. Even though everything's super bright and colorful and happy. Okay, so they're at school, even though they're at a house.
Sinigang nga
They have teachers.
kamunggay.
Okay. She always gets the pretty toys. I'm gonna go there and steal her toys. Hey, Brad, give me toys. Why? Just give me your toys, idiot. No. How dare you? Oh my god, she took all my toys. I'm literally dead inside my face. She took every single
Lami
toy.
man po.
How dare you? Oh, I'm getting angry. Oh, I'm getting angry. Good, she took the unicorn. That's the best one. No! Oh, she's stopping the unicorn. What's wrong? Anaya, stop. They stole my toys. Why did you steal
Sabaw pa
them?
na ko.
She always gets pretty toys.
Numero pa na yung sigang.
How is she? She still doesn't play with children. I think she has autism. This poor girl. So, how was daycare? Good. I'm going shopping. Wanna come? Sure. Where's the grocery store? Toy store. Oh, she just wanted her own toys.
Ikaw na.
Lots of toys.
Nindot po.
I found what I like.
Aslom ba gamay?
There you are.
Yeah.
This toy. How much is it? $30.
Nindot kayo sa kanang sikmura sa tong Justian. Mainit nga sabaw.
Look at his face.
O di, sib, baka mga silingan. May lasa ng sinigang.
What is money made out of? Well, paper. And where does paper come from? Trees. Got it! You gotta buy it for me now. Just put it back. I'll pay with my own money. Honey, you only have $15. But I need it. I mean, look at it. It's
Kuya.
Hippo. He's so cute and not at all evil. 5. Yay! That's the best. Yay, I'm jumping for
Hubog,
joy.
may papatiting na.
Hippo is my new. Oh my god, yes. So, how will you name him? I think I'll name him Hippo. What do you think? It's a great name. I was talking to Hippo. By the way, he likes that name. Let's just go home. So, do you like your new home? Oh, my love. I'm glad you like it. Here's your lunch, sweetie. Thanks, Mom. Do you want some food, Hippo? Okay. Wanna go watch TV? Well, how about we go outside? Okay, let's go.
Gamay po ng sabaw sa paksyo bahog.
Wanna go on the
Okra.
slide? Who wants
Napay
to go on
okra.
the slide? Okay, let's
Tapos,
go. Me and Hippo are BFFs. Whee!
lagyan ng luya, ang timpla,
We gotta see moving. He's moving on his own. I'm
mga
coming,
paminta.
Mom. Let's go, Hippo. You played with him outside? Yeah, you should go ready for bed. Need to get
Na, ako
away
mga
from
silingan,
home.
bisag unsa basta sudan.
Okay, good
Di ko ano nis Ginoo, hinatag sa Ginoo, lami para nako.
Don't be a creep, Hippo. Don't you dare stare at me. Don't you
Ang
dare
importante mabusog ka.
Gently, Hippo. Okay, Hippo. I'm now covering you. Damage causes skin problems. Try Pond's
Hindi ko magpili-pili.
SPF 50 for a fresh glass skin finish. Good night, Hippo. Wake up, sweetie. Good morning, Hippo. Go get ready. Mom looks so concerned. Wow, I look so pretty. My hair is longer. Yeah, I wonder why. I have no idea. Demons, Hippo did it. Here's your food.
Nindot mo sa kalawasan ng
AKA
ulay lang atong kinaon.
full of whatever, just shoves it against her toy's face. She's like, I get it. He's real. You're definitely not going crazy. What the heck? Nothing scary is happening. Mom was just waiting out in the car for some reason. Bye, Mom. Bye, honey. We're at school. Oh, no. Don't touch him up. Give it back. Never. Oh, oh, oh! We'll beat her. We'll beat her. Someone give it back. She's like scrambling again. She's like, here, there's Pippa. There he is. Oh, God. Oh, she kicked her in the face. Don't worry, Pippo. You're
Luya pa pamanuhot.
I know my lovely, amazing Pippo. So much Pippo. Whoa, what is the teacher holding a knife and a pin? What is this? What is this? Teacher, what's wrong? Anaya beat up Mommy. Show it to me. Oh my God. Take her to the nurse. Anaya, what's wrong? Why did you hurt Mommy? She took away my toy, my pillow, my everything. You can't beat up someone just for a stupid toy. Oh no, my face. Oh no. Oh God. Oh. Work it out.
Sabi ka na ko.
Stupid. He has feelings too.
Gamay na pili mo na ka ng imong sinigangan ni Luto. Nga gulay, kamunggay.
For this, I'm
Huh?
taking away your toy. Pippo. Don't touch me.
Ako mo siya kasabot mga silingan. Mga bata karon ko di kasabot kay ilang hilig ng pagkaon kana mang mga kuan kani amo
All is well.
ino tubig para nako lami na ni nako eh.
I just up and left the house with a bloody knife. But at least I left it. Nobody will expect this little girl dressed all in pink. Nobody will suspect a thing. What am I doing? This looks like a sketchy. Okay, so I apparently just took the murder weapon, threw it into a very sketchy looking haunted lake. And we're just gonna pretend like nobody has any idea what's happening. Hey, do you know where Mom is? Leave a hand spray.
Papasabaw pa jud ta.
Hey, Mom. How did you get
Baon
here?
na nato
The
din ko
teacher said we could go home.
Tol,
Waiting for me to come.
ikaw sabaw.
Yeah, that seems legit.
Sabaw.
Teacher just told us we can go. How did
Kana
you
akong
know
anak ko
that?
kaon.
Hello told me. But let's just go home.
Upa. Sa kuno ni sustansya na.
So concerned. Look at people.
Kuning utol mga silingan kay sayang. Kani nga among kamunggay naranis among nataran oy. May tanom ba nabuhi sa una dugay may nakapabuhi karon nabuhi na. Di nagkaatuyog sige pamuha bisa pag-apil ang masilingan kuha di nagkaatong silingan ay. Wala ka atong silingan og kuha. Kani atong pagpanamo pananon apil ang silingan ani mga silingan.
Oh no. So I finally just took the murder weapon.
Karin na po akong ihigop.
Very sketchy looking haunted lake. Like we're just gonna pretend like nobody has any idea what's happening. Hey, do you know where mom is? Even him sprinting. Oh, thanks. Hey, mom. How did you
Sinugang nga,
The teacher said we
kalamunggay.
should've
May on version eh, may recipe.
Yeah, that seems legit. Teacher just told us we could
Sinigang nga, kalamunggay.
That was. Hippo told me.
Gamit man po.
Let's just go home. Mom's so concerned. So concerned. Look at Pippo in the backseat.
Libre may direkto kar. Di may halakan sa sikuan.
Anaya, you just wait. So, how was your day? She was with you. Mine too. You the same day. Talks to Pippo. Sweetie, go get ready for bed. You don't want to be late for your first day of school, do you? Fine. Wait, first day of school. Go just there. What's happening? What is the timeline? Also, why am I still holding
Ito nga na ko gahos.
Stupid dog, you cursed my dog. Oh no.
Tanga dagahos akong butang. Gibutang nga gamang sinigang.
Yes, honey.
Kasi na, Nora.
Don't worry, sweetie. We will surely find him. Oh god.
Gusto match.
Pippo's pissed. Look at Pippo. Gasp. Pippo! I was so worried about you. Why did you take him, Mommy? Just get out of my room. This is not your room. This is the living room. Sorry for that, Pippo. We should go to bed now. My Lord and Savior, Pippo. I wonder where my bed went. Yeah, what's happening? I'm watching it with you, honestly. Sweetie, wake up. Grab Pippo. Did I really anger her that much? Well, give her mom a cold shoulder. Oh god, what's happening now? Oh, we're going to school. Actual school. Wait, what's that? What are you staring at? You think that she's
Dagdag ng kunting kanin.
Let's see how pretty she will be after her face will be all bruised up. Girl, don't come near me. I got Pippo near me. I got Pippo near me. You don't know what you can't even do. The girls behind her know. They're like, don't go anywhere near that psychopath. Hey, ugly. Hi.
Sabaw.
Why do you have a toy?
Paksiw.
Is it because you're lonely and you have no friends because no one loves you?
Kanin.
Give me that.
Talong.
Don't you dare put your dirty, grimy hands on Pippo. Not your
Kumot-kumot
Pippo.
ang talong.
Give him back. We're full her face. Stop it, please. I'll give it back. That's what I thought. Come on, Pippo. We gotta tell the teacher. Hi, Mom. Don't hide me, young lady. Wait a minute. What happened to the person she stabbed? Why does nobody know that there's a dead teacher at this daycare or whatever it was? I got a call from your teacher saying that you hurt a student. Those bitches. Why would you do that? He stole my toy. You hurt a student just for that stupid toy? Only a creature with 2 brain cells would think of doing that. What? Mom. Savage. Stop kissing your eyes this instant. Stop kissing your eyes this instant. Ugh, never heard that as a term for crying. That is gross and scary at the same time. You're not the victim here. I'm so embarrassed with you. You're lucky that there aren't any witnesses here. But you're gonna be so dead when you get home. Stupid idiots. Those bitches just had to let me. Huh? Where are you? What? I don't remember this. Why did the car stop? Mom, calm down, please. A night. We're in the middle of nowhere. How can we calm down? I'll go search for food and water. Wait here. Literally, I've only been driving for like a half hour. Instead of trying to get the car big or find out where you are, I need to go search for food and water. Stat. Before we starve. Huh? You
Yung
want to
tubig.
show me something? Okay. Oh God, where are we? What do you want to show me, Pippo? I love you so much, Pippo. Need to help me, Pippo? Oh my God! Oh my God! Pippo has laser beams shooting out of his mouth. Is that a South Star? What is that? You want me to enter?
Thank you, Lord.
Fine. Grandma.
Salamat yung kay Ginoo na busog mi.
What?
Thank you for watching mga silingan. Don't forget to
Are these stuff? Okay.
like and share. Pindutin ninyong notification palagi nandyan sa baba
Oh my God.
para lagi kayong update sa aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat. Oh, naubos gud mga silingan. Sinigang nga gulay ang nabilin. Tangad na lang gyud na. Tungod sa kalami, siyempre naubos. Tapos with matching paksiw na oh. Tungod sa kalami mga silingan, tanglad nila yung habilin. Ingon na kalami ang my own recipe. Yun na nakalami ang akong ulam, gulay. tanglad lang ang ibutang tapos sinigang, lagyan ng kunting kuan o. Di busog na, libre pa. Ekonomiya pa, tipid sa budget pa mga silingan kay siyempre naramay sa tumbakuran. Kung gusto mo mukaon og sinigang o gulay na lang. At least di na ka mo ngadto sa merkado, kakaon pa kag sinigang pero gulay lang. Tungod sa kalami, tanglad na lang nahabilin mga silingan. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.